Hi, how's it going today? I'm going to be talking about Harlem once again, and in particular, the Harlem House. It was called the LaGuardia House, the Harlem House. It was a godsend to the neighborhood. There were so many things you could do there. We used to play basketball, we used to go there, watch the guys play basketball. But the thing that I loved about it, we could hang out. We had a place to go. And also, when I was I think I was 8 or 9, they had this camp. First year I went by myself, and it was a camp, but we were sent to someone's home for 2 weeks. And I went to this house, this people's house in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, I remember. They had this wonderfully big house, and they had children, and I was there to play with the children, I guess. But after about a week, I got a little homesick. We went there by train. Everything was taken care of by the Harlem House. I guess it was through the state. For underprivileged children, I never felt underprivileged. And then a lot of times they would say that we came from a ghetto, something like that. I don't know what they referred to as, but I tell you the truth, we never felt like it was bad or underprivileged or anything like that. We had everything we could possibly need. In fact, I would love for my children to have been brought up the way we were in East Harlem. It was wonderful. But then the second year, I went to camp, but this was a real camp, and I went with my best friend, Lorraine Criscolo. Her maiden name was Lorraine Buxton. Her father, Willie, he was a piece of work, but that's another story. So we went the first year, and we were in these above-ground tents. It was wonderful. We were there for 2 weeks, 2 whole weeks. And we had, every night there was dinner in this mess hall. We did plays, we did crafts. Up until recently, I had the book, and I think I still have it. It was like a newsletter or a book that had all the activities that went on and pictures of the kids that were in it. But then the third year, Lorraine and I went again to the Harlem House. And this time, Catherine came with us. Catherine, what was her last name? I think it was Patron. We had such a great time. We threw her out of the tent one day, and we locked it up, and oh my God, we had a ball. And then the other place we used to hang out was, of course, the Jefferson Park. But the Jefferson Park, across from the entrance to the pool, there was a social center. We'd go in there, we'd play ping pong, and I remember they have the music, we'd put the radio on, or the record player, we'd play the songs and dance. It was a wonderful time growing up. And at night, we had this whole group of guys and girls who hung out in the park, and we'd go and we'd hang out in the playground. And then during the summer, we'd climb over the fence and go in the pool. And the cops were always chasing us. Let me tell you, they would, you know how many pair of pants and tops I ripped because the gate, the fence, had these points. And we used to hop over. Oh God, I wish I could do that now. I can't even hop one even minute. We used to climb over the fence, go in the pool, and we'd go at the end where the people couldn't see us too much. There were no lights on. But every once in a while, we'd hear the cops coming, and we would, of course, jump out and Buluzzi, would say, the cops are coming, the Buluzzi, and say it in Italian. I don't know why we said it in Italian, but anyway, it was a great time, and the Harlem House was really, really a gift to all of us. All the neighborhood went there, from especially the people from Pleasant Avenue on 17, on 18. I was at the time when I was 8, I was like 8 or 9. I was living on 13th Street, First Avenue. But then when I met Lorraine, we were on 15 First Avenue, across the street from the Sugar Bowl, Nick's Cigarettas, the candy store, the Half Moon Pizzeria. Oh God, those were wonderful days. What are you gonna do? So I thought I'd mention it while I was riding again in my car, which I love to do. And by the way, the last time I made the video and you heard that humming sound, I didn't realize what it was because somebody said close the windows. Well, the windows were closed, but the phone here is right over my air conditioning, and I had it blasting, so the noise was coming from the air conditioner in the car. I lowered it. I made sure. I hope we don't hear any humming now. Anyway, until next time, I'm going to be trying to make a video this weekend, a cooking video. And I found some of my flowers. My zucchini flowers are growing. And so I'm going to try and stuff them with mascarpone and season, and then dip it in and fry it. Oh boy, here we go. Maybe I'll do that. And I also have another salad that I'm thinking of making, a panzanella salad. We're going to try that too. Until the next video. Bye.